Disclaimer, not sponsored by any company. Also, thank you, essential workers. Oh, and one more thing before I get this unboxing video on the way. I also want to say that this computer took a while to actually make it work because... So the first thing, I thought out of the box it would work with 3 monitors. However, I was wrong. I needed to add a graphics card, and since that graphics card had 2 DVI ports, I needed also to get a DVI to VGA adapter just to make it work. So yeah, that's just like my little headache or rant on this computer. It's not a bad computer at all. In fact, I recommend that you buy it. Just know that you need to get a graphics card that supports 3 monitors if you really want this thing to run 3 monitors.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Joseph Cavagnaro, back again for a special unboxing video. Right in front of me, I have a new computer. So anyway, let's get into the packaging here. This is my new PC. It's a Powerspec b677, and yeah, I'm excited to open it. I just got this like yesterday, or whenever this video is coming out. But anyway, just put the HDMI cable up there. Just gonna tear into the packaging here. Hopefully try not to damage it. But anyway, okay, there's one end opened. Now here's the other end open. With this Powerspec b677, it has less storage than... So anyway, before I get into the specs on this computer, I just want to explain something. My old computer, I tried to install a graphics card onto it, like a low-profile graphics card, and it didn't work. So anyway, inside the box here, anyway, first thing inside the box that you get is this keyboard. Yeah, this thing comes with a keyboard and mouse, even though it's not really that useful considering I already have a keyboard and mouse, but still, I could use it for something else, like my Nintendo Switch. So anyway, inside the box here is just like a generic keyboard that you get. So yeah, just gonna untwist the ties here. So some things that this Powerspec PC has, it has, well, I think a Core i5 processor. It also has 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. It also has 500 gigabyte solid state drive. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It also runs Windows 10. I think Windows 10 Pro, I'm not sure. But I'll get it open. Just untying the twist tie here to this keyboard. Ran out of stuff to say. And then here's the mouse, which is also USB. I have a bunch of these USB mice. So here's the USB mouse and the USB keyboard. Here's what they look like. Just gonna put them on to the side here. And then just clear off some stuff here as well. And next thing, I think hang on, let me just change the camera angle a bit. Alrighty, now that I've changed the camera, I can just get inside and hopefully lift up this computer. And inside the box here, you also get the computer itself. Hang on, I got this. And here it is, protected by 2 blocks of whatever this stuff is. And a guide to the PC. this is kind of hard to get out. But I got it out. Here's the power spec right here. And as you can see, here are all the ports back here. Here's the keyboard and mouse PS2 port, 2 USB ports, a VGA, DVI, HDMI, 2 USB 3.0, 2 regular USB ports, an Ethernet jack, microphone, audio, some other jack. Not sure what this is. There's the power plug right down there. And more on this thing right here. Just gonna open it up. And no, this does not have a disk drive. But here's the quick start and recovery guide to this power spec. Here it is. You also get a power cord with this thing. Here's the power cord right here. Yeah, here's the power cord to the PC. And inside here, I believe, are the Wi-Fi antennas. So here's one. And here's the other antenna. So yeah, I think you screw these into here if you want Wi-Fi, but I have an Ethernet connection, so probably won't use these. Maybe I will. Who knows? Anyway, I'm just looking around to see if I missed anything. Okay, next thing on the list is... Actually, before we get into the cables, let's get into this digital webcam right here. Just gonna cut open the box here. So yeah, I'm also upgrading my webcam. My old webcam was actually this app called DroidCam, but I decided I need an upgrade. And no, the phone I'm using for DroidCam, no, it does not support HD. But anyway, inside the box here is the the USB cable instructions. You also get the webcam itself, which is attached to a USB cable. So anyway, I'm gonna see if there's any plastic. And no, it does not look like there's any plastic to this webcam. It's just a small webcam right here. Not sure how well it works. I'll probably test it out. But anyway, here's the webcam right here. Next thing on the list is this 3-port HDMI switch. Now, I'm going to be mainly using this in my bedroom. So anyway, inside the box here is the 3-port HDMI switch. Here's the output right here. First input, second input, and third input. I only really need 2 inputs, but anyway, this is going to work. So yeah, with the HDMI switch out of the way, next up is the DVI cable. I got this from Micro Center, which is where I got the power spec. But anyway, inside there was the DVI cable. Now I'm just untangling it. I actually do have, at home I have a monitor that has DVI. But anyway, here's the DVI cable right here. Here's what the DVI port looks like. It's like VGA, only not VGA. And then the last thing on this list is the HDMI cable. Now this one was actually also a gift from a fan of mine. He sent me 3 of these in total, and this is the last one. I still haven't unboxed yet. So inside here is the HDMI cable. So that's going to be it for this video. As soon as I untwist these ties, if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below. I have a Discord server, so you should totally go join that. And I'll see you all next time. Here's the HDMI cable, And that's it for this video.